Namaste, friends. Quite happy to be with you people again on a topic which is quite close to my heart: interpersonal relationships. Every human being is existing, surviving, thriving only because of others around him. No person can be an island. Every time, everybody requires the support of others. And the success of a human being is always directly connected with the way he deals with others, the support he is getting from others, the love he is getting from others. Human relations is a pretty complex topic, and mainly it becomes complex because of the ego of a human being. If I feel I am the topmost person and expect that others should love you, others should give you maximum regards, you are a fool, because you cannot demand respect, regards, and love from somebody. It has to be earned. And the way to earn this is the way you deal with others. Everybody is craving for recognition. Everybody is craving for love. And when this is the common tendency, for a human being to earn this is to give respect to others, to give regards to others, to give love to others. Naturally, they will reciprocate, and you will be earning this goodwill which will take you forward. There are certain words starting with the alphabet A directly connected with interpersonal relationships: accept, appreciate, acknowledge, admire, admit, agree. When you become acceptable to others, it will be on the basis of how you deal with them in accepting their viewpoints, acknowledging their contributions, giving due recognition to their contribution, admiring wherever it is due to them. The slightest compliment which you give to somebody will make that person happy, and at times even indebted to you to be your friend, to be your well-wisher. The major mistake which majority of the people do will be to criticize in front of others. Never do this. There may be difference of opinion, but how to express the difference of opinion in the right way? Here, the importance of communication will also become a part of interpersonal relationships. Many have a wrong notion that interpersonal relationship means only this the verbal communication. It is not exactly that. Your non-verbal communication, your body language, and even your listening expertise. Are you properly listening to others? Do you give a proper time to others to express their viewpoint? Or you are particular that others should listen to what you say? Try to practice this. Listen to others in a proper way. That itself will make you acceptable. Another side is never react immediately. Never give a reply immediately. Take your own time before expressing something. Think about what you are going to tell. This itself will be sufficient for another person to become your friend. They will feel you are a good human being, because majority of the people, as I said earlier, they are craving for attention. Just give your time, your attention to them. That will make you acceptable in front of others. And once you develop this kind of attitude of interpersonal relationship, you will become a better family man. In your office, you will be acceptable, you will be respected, others would love to be with you. After all, what we need in our life, you would like to be successful, and success is never measured in money or assets. It has got a lot of things to do with your satisfaction. And your satisfaction comes from the satisfaction you give to others. Try to practice this. That itself, I can tell you, will make your life more meaningful and more successful. You will become an asset. Kindly try to practice this, which will make your life always progressive, always happy, always contented. And that is ultimately the purpose of life. Okay, my dear friends, try to practice this. It is quite easy, but it has to be an ongoing basis. It should be practiced and be successful always. My best wishes to you. Thank you very much.